Now let's move on to the bag strap. Leave a long tail of yarn so we can join the two ends of the strap later. First, make a slip knot. Then chain 2. Try to keep your tension a bit loose so it's easier to work with. Skip the chain closest to your hook, make a single crochet into the next chain. Now twist the cord like this, then insert your hook into this side loop. Yarn over and pull through to make a single crochet. Continue twisting the cord. Now you'll see 2 side loops. Insert your hook into this spot. Yarn over and pull through to make another single crochet. Keep twisting the cord and repeat the same steps until you reach your desired length. I'll be making my cord about 48 inches long, which is approximately 120 centimeters. Once you've reached your desired length, chain 1, cut the yarn, and pull through. Gently smooth out the cord so it lays nice and straight. Now let's mark the positions where we'll thread the cord through. Here are the marked positions. Let's move up to locate them on the top. Move in 2 spaces and mark here. Repeat the same for the remaining positions. Now find the outermost position of the bag. Skip 1 space. Then mark the next. Repeat the same. Now we'll start threading the cord through all the marked positions like this. Remember to straighten the cord as you go to avoid twisting. Now use a yarn needle to join the two ends together. Tie a knot here to secure the cord tightly. Next, we'll make the strap pad. Start with a slip knot. Then chain 37 to create the foundation chain. Skip the first chain from your hook. Make 36 single crochets across. I've finished my first row. For row 2, chain 1. Turn your work. Skip the chain you just made, then continue making single crochets. Repeat the same steps until you have 7 rows of single crochet. I've completed my 7 rows. Now cut the yarn, leaving a tail about 3 times the length of the strap pad. Chain 1 and pull through. Now use a yarn needle to weave in the yarn tail. Then sew this strap pad onto the strap. Insert your needle under a stitch like this. Then insert it under the corresponding stitch on the other side. Pull the yarn through. Continue sewing the remaining stitches in the same way. When you reach the end, tie a small knot to secure it. Then gently weave in any remaining yarn ends to keep everything neat and tidy. Now we'll repeat the same steps for the other strap. Thank you so much for crocheting along with me today. I hope you enjoyed making this cute heart tote bag as much as I did. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more easy and beginner-friendly crochet tutorials. Feel free to share your finished bag with me in the comments. I would absolutely love to see your creations. Thank you again for being here, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy crocheting!